Actually, I am live now. I am live, okay? As you can see, if you can look at the page, you can see me talking to you live. I'm handling my phone over my ear. Now, this is the thing. They reported me many times because, you know, I'm a political exposed personality in the Philippines, okay? If you can check in the Google, I have run for the Senate in 2022 election and I got 5 million votes. Yes, now, every time I upload my very own video, there is so many person who try to capture my video and repost it. For two reasons. One reason maybe because people are looking for me, because I have a lot of supporters, they are looking for me, so they can get views. So they mislead the people. And the second thing is, maybe it is my political rival who paid a lot of basher to massive report my page. But the accusation of impersonating someone else, as I have said, who am I impersonate? Myself. I never post anything but my very own video, but the video of myself. Well, anyway, I'm very thankful today. I am very thankful. I'm very assured that if you can check my page now, it is published. There is no monetization violation. Means I never violate advertising. I never advertise such anything. You know, the past few days I'm very disappointed. But now I feel okay. Forgive and forget. And yes. No. Okay. Okay, please. Okay, thank you very much. Yes, okay, thank you. Yes, I will do that as long as I finish my live. Thank you very much. No, just thank you. I already give my thanks and my regards and my warm thank you to the Metapro. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Several days later.
Yung ating Facebook page ay nakaban na naman. Ang daming impersonator. Grabe. So, binlock ni Facebook yung aking page for impersonation daw. Kaya naman, doon ako magla-live para ipamigay sana yung yung dapat ipamigay. Oo. So, anong nangyari? Hindi tuloy ako makapag-live gawa ng na-block na naman si page.
A week later.
Itong hinayupak na meta na to, hindi natin malaman kung ano yung gusto sabihin eh. Putangin na naman eh. Mga buwaka ng inang yan eh. Maya na lang, nire-restrict. Ito nga i-restrict mo. Meta. Nagpapaniwala ka dyan sa mga ano na yan.